From the silence comes a whisper, born before the beat begins. Tiny waves become a language, carried softly on the wind. Every heartbeat tells a story, every breath becomes a tone, invisible but all around us. Every sound has found a home. Open up your ears,